Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 4, that is geometry. In that, similarity. What do you mean that similarity? You people have learnt already, right? Similarity is nothing but same shape but different size. Same shape, different size, right? See here. A, B, C. When you see this picture, what it comes to your mind, children? It is a right triangle, right? It is a right triangle. Same shape. Same shape means both the things are same right triangle but different size. See, this measurement is not equal to this measurement. The AB measurement is not equal to PQ. You can visualize the picture, children, right? Similarity is nothing but same shape, different size, right? The example is twins. See, these two triangles are right triangle, but the measurement are not equal. That's why we conclude that these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. What I said? Same shape, different size. Same shape, SS, DS. Right? SS, DS. Same size, different. Same shape, different size. Same shape, different size is nothing but similar. Right? Now, if two triangles are similar, what are the conditions? The corresponding sides are proportional. The corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. What is the example I gave for similarity? Twins, doublets, children, triplets and all. They are the good example for similar. Got it? Same shape, different size. Same shape, different size. That I represented as WSDC, WSDS, right? Now you see, I said corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional in the sense you can write it as a fraction, right? Now you see, AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by QR, which is equal to AC divided by PR. Got it, children? AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR. I use the word as corresponding sides are proportional, right? Corresponding proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. If I selected the height here AB, I took here as PQ. Base I consider BC. Here what is the base? QR. The hypotenuse is AC. Here hypotenuse is PR. That's why the word very important, corresponding sides. Right. Now corresponding angles are equal, I said. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle A equal to angle P. Angle C is equal to angle R. First you should know what is similar. If it is similar means what are the condition it has, right? Same size, same shape, different size. Same shape, different size is nothing but similar. Here I discussed two triangles, that is ABC and PQR. You don't confuse yourself, whatever triangle. Here I gave an example in terms of right triangle, that's it, right? In triangle ABC, PQR, corresponding sides are proportional, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. You don't think that it is applicable only for right triangle, not like that, whatever type of triangle, right? Now you see, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Corresponding sides are proportional. Angle B equal to angle Q, angle A equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle R. Corresponding angles are equal. If two things are any one, if it is there, you can conclude that triangles are similar. How to represent in notation? You see, triangle ABC similar to, this is a notation for similar. Similar to triangle PQR. Similar to triangle PQR. You have to be very careful how you are relating the things. See here, AB, PQ. Got it? Now, BC, QR. BC by QR. This is the way you have to represent the corresponding sides are proportional. Now, AC, PR. AC by PR. Now, angle A equal to angle B. Writing the letters, that is also very important when you represent the similar. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. That's why you are saying that corresponding angles are equal. Now you can understand what is similar. Children, once again I am going to repeat. You see, same shape and different size. Corresponding sides are proportional. You can conclude that triangles are similar. Corresponding angles are equal. That time also you can conclude that triangles are similar. How to represent in notation, that also I represented here. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Exercise 4.1, question number 1. Check whether which triangles are similar and find the value of x. Right? Here you see triangle, two things are there. Visualize. One triangle is AED, another triangle is ACB. Similar means what I discussed, same shape, different size. Okay, then two condition I said, corresponding sides are proportional, corresponding angles are equal. Here the measurement of side is given, that means first condition you can adapt, right? Now you see, AE corresponding sides we are going to move. AE by AC. AE by AC. In triangle AED, this is one triangle AED. Another triangle is what? ACB. And triangle ACB. Triangle ACB. Now you see, AE by AC. What is AE? AE is 2. What is your AC? AC is nothing but AE plus EC. AE plus EC. That is 2 plus 3, 1 by 2. 2 plus 3, 1 by 2. 2 divided by 2 plus 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 2. The mixed fraction you are converted into improper, right? These two you have to multiply, add your numerator. Then it becomes 7 by 2. You have to take LCM. 2 divided by 4 plus 7. I will write it here. 2 divided by 4 plus 7 by 2. If the denominator is a fraction, it will act as a reciprocal. So what is your answer here? 4 by 11. 4 by 11. Now you see AD divided by AB. AD divided by AB. Got it, children? AD divided by AB. AED is a small triangle. ACB is a bigger triangle. You are going to find out whether the corresponding sides are equal or not. Corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Right? Now you see AD by AB. What is AD by AB? AD is equal to 3. AB equal to what? Corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Corresponding sides are proportional and equal means it is similar. 3 by AB is nothing but AD plus DB. 3 plus 5, 8. Proportional we got. Corresponding sides are proportional and equal means the triangles are similar. Now you come to the point. AE by AC 4 by 11 is not equal to 3 by 8. 4 by 11 is not equal to 3 by 8. Corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Only you can conclude the triangles are similar. Here they are not equal. Therefore, the triangles are not similar. What are children? Corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Only you can say it is similar. Otherwise, you conclude that the triangles are not similar. Here we are going to find out what is the value of x. First we should say the triangles are similar. Which triangles are similar? Triangle ABC, triangle PQC. Right. See here, angle Q, that is PQB. PQB equal to 120 degree. That is what it represents. PQC, angle PQB equal to 110 degree is given. Right? Angle PQB 110 degree. Here Q PBQC is a straight line. So if it is 110 degree, what is the position of this? See here, angle PQC equal to 180 degree minus angle PQB. Got it, children? Because it is a straight line, straight angle means that is 180 degree. Straight angle means 180 degree, that is BQB, angle BQP plus angle PQC equal to 180 degree, that is straight angle, right? BQB PQC 180 degree. You know the angle BQP equal to what? 110 degree. That's why I arrived the result PQC equal to 180 minus angle PQB or BQP, however you write, right? Now it becomes 180 minus 110 which is equal to 70 degree, which is equal to 70 degree. Now you see angle ABC equal to 70 degree. Now you arrived a result as angle PQC equal to 70 degree. One more thing you have to listen, angle C is common. Angle C is common. Angle C is common. Now what are the two triangles I said? Angle ABC, triangle ABC, triangle PQC. Triangle ABC, triangle PQC. In that, angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle ABC equal to 70, angle PQC equal to 70. Next, angle C is common. That means these two triangles are similar. How it is similar? By AA similarity. How it is similar? By AA similarity. AA similarity means what? If two angles of a triangle is equal to the angle of the another triangle. Two angles of a triangle is equal to the angle of the another triangle. Here you see angle triangle ABC similar to triangle PQC. I said the arrangement of alphabet is very important. Angle C is common. It is located at the last. Here also it is located at the last. Now angle ABC, it should be in the middle, that is 70 degree. Here also angle PQC, Q is also located in the middle. That's why we use the criteria is what? AA similarity. AA similarity means angle, angle, angle. 3 times you can say. If you want to say all the 3, or you can restrict up to 2, that is enough. AA similarity, the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, you can conclude the corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Corresponding sides are proportional. How to write the corresponding sides? You see, if I selected AB, I am moving towards right, the same way I can apply here also. How can I write? AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ. Next, AC divided by PC. AC divided by PC. Next, BC divided by QC. Right? BC divided by QC. BC divided by QC. Corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Moving, that is also important. If I move here right side, here also I should move towards right. If I move towards left in the first triangle, I should move towards left in the second triangle. That is the procedure, right? Now, what is AB? AB is 5. Similar, you said corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Right? So, AB value you know, that is 5. What is PQ? They given as X. 5 by X. Which are the things you know the value, that alone you have to take. You don't want to take all the 3. Right? Now you see BC, QC. What is the value of BC? BC is nothing but BQ plus QC. That means 3 plus 3, 6. Here I am going to relate first and third because I know the value for that alone. 6 divided by, what is QC? QC is what? QC equal to 3. Then 3 ones are, 3 twos are. You have to cross multiply, which implies 2x equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5, which is equal to 2.5. Got it, children? Once again I am repeat. Listen. Triangle ABC, triangle PQC. These two triangles only. We want to prove these two triangles are similar. If we prove similar only, you can go for corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Using that, we can calculate the value of x. See here, angle ABC is given as 70 degree. Here they given as PQB is 110. It is a straight angle. So I arrived the result as angle PQC equal to 70 degree. Then I said angle ABC equal to angle PQC equal to 70 degree. Angle C is common, right? Two things are there. AA similarity. Two angles of a triangle is equal to the two angles of the another triangle I proved. Then I consider the criteria is AA similarity. Using AA similarity, I conclude the triangle ABC. This is the notation for similar, right? Similar to triangle PQC. If I said it is similar, corresponding sides are proportional and equal. Then AB by PQ equal to AC by PC equal to BC by QC. I know the value of AB by PQ and BC by QC. That alone I relate, right? AB is 5, PQ is X, BC means BQ plus QC. 3 plus 3 6, 6 by 3. So 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Then you have to cross multiply 2x equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5. Here you proved the triangle is similar, then you find the value of x. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you, children.